Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your phone application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into blocked numbers option, and here, how you can see, we got 2 blocked numbers. So for unblocking the last one, click here on this right side, tap, unblock these numbers and tap to confirm unblock one more time. Maybe let's try again. So this number, click here on the right side, unblock this number, confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.